What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and I don't know what I just did, but welcome to this video about Solana. We'll be taking a quick look at Solana again technically, but we'll also be talking about the fundamentals and then specifically about the market, because for Solana itself, it hasn't been great. I mean, Solana right now, I mean, it's also one of the only cryptos where the volume has actually dropped down since yesterday. Even though it's still very low, but if you compare Solana's volume right now with other cryptos, I think it's among some. It's actually still pretty decent compared to the cryptos it's around, but other volumes are all pretty much growing by 100%. Solana's was perhaps still a little bit high because of the volatility we had 2 days ago. That could be true, but it's not looking great for Solana. As you can see right now, this was my last analysis. This is also still what I believe in. I do want to say that, but if you just take a look at the price right now, what you can clearly see is that there's a lot of bearish momentum. And we haven't even touched the 28 EMA, that blue line, for the last 9 days. That's just not good. That means that we're finding resistance lower than that. So that's a very strong downtrend. The support level holding us up right now is $11, which, I mean, historically it's pretty strong, but it's not the strongest level. It's not as strong as, for example, $10 is. So maybe we're kind of being pulled towards that level. The thing is, and why I was expecting this, is because we do have the chance right now to form some sort of a double bottom. And what I was expecting, and what I still am expecting, is some more bullish momentum for the market. And with the market, I mean then, well, obviously the entire market, but you can see that with Bitcoin. I do think that Bitcoin has the ability to break above 17,000 next week because of the dollar strength still falling. And apart from that, also just fear and unrest in the market still continuing to slowly but surely drop down. And that's why I also expected Solana to kind of maybe try testing 11.7, which is our main resistance right now, first, and then at some point breaking above that. But I'm actually not too sure about this anymore. Basically, what's going to happen is $11 is going to hold, but if we do not manage to break above 11.7 in the next, I would say, in the next 2 days, if we do not, if we break above 11.7, then we at least have some bullish momentum and we can get up towards 12.5 and consolidate down here, which I would consider bullish, because then we know that then we have some sort of a buffer zone, right? We're like $11 is not our last support. Right now it's our last support. And if we do not break above 11.7 in the next 2 days, you'll be sure that we're going to have that bearish breakout through $11, maybe find some support at 10.5 cents, but only take that break retest and drop down to our next support level between $10 and 9.5, which is obviously a big psychological support level, which I do think will hold. And maybe from there we'll be able to start some sort of an uptrend. But I don't have to be the smartest man in the world to tell you that this is not the best thing that could happen. Because from this drop, I mean, it's going to be very, very hard to get back up to 12.5, very, very hard to get up to $14, and even more difficult to even think about recovering a little bit after the FTX crash. But yeah, right now, given the fundamentals, this is still my most likely scenario. But if I only had the technicals to look at, this was definitely my most likely scenario. So yeah, that's my take on Solana for today. I do want to thank you for watching and listening. Take care today, and bye.